Today I want to show you how to make a key plan for your project using Revit. First thing you'll need to do is to create an area plan. To save some time, I've already created an area plan and have turned off the unnecessary interior portion, just leaving the building outline as you can see. Next, I need to export this area plan view to DWG and save it in an appropriate location for the project. Next, I want to open up the title block family that I'll be using for the project and import the CAD file of the area plan. As you can see, I've already got the title block open, so what I want to do is to open up the family itself. As you can see, this area plan that I've brought in is way too big for the title block. So what I'm going to do is scale it down. To do that, just simply pick the area plan that you've imported in, go up to Edit Type, and over where it says Scale Factor, start putting in some numbers that you think may or may not work. Just give it a shot. I've done this a couple times, so I'm going to go ahead and put in After I've scaled the area plan down, I will need to place a line to separate the two areas. Next, I want to fill these two areas with separate hatch patterns and create some text to label these areas. To do that, let's go up to Create and select Filled Region. Go over and pick the rectangle and go ahead and just select this top area and click corner to corner and select the check mark when you're done. As you can see, it's created this cross hatch fill. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and select that, and I want to create a solid fill for this. I can look here and you can see I don't have one, so what I want to do is I want to go to Edit Type. I want to go ahead and duplicate, and let's call this solid fill. Say OK, come down here, and I just want to select solid fill. And say OK, and say OK again. And there, that's going to change it all to solid fill. Now I want to create another filled region for the other area. And what I'm going to do is select rectangle again. Here. Once I've got it set, go ahead and click the check mark. We already know we don't want this pattern to be used, so what I'm going to do is go over and select solid fill again. Bump that up just so it covers the whole area. Next, I want to create some text that will define these areas. Now that I have the two areas defined and labeled, I need to create parameters and assign the parameters to the areas. For this example, I'm going to create three parameters: a key plan parameter, an area A parameter, and an area B parameter. To create these parameters, click on Family Types. In the Family Types dialog box, go over to Add Parameters. Here, let's name the first parameter Key Plan. And the type of parameter we're going to use for all three of these parameters will be yes, no, and we're going to group all three as well under visibility, and we're going to make it an instance parameter. Click OK. I'm going to add another parameter. We'll call this area A. Yes, no, under visibility, and instance parameter. Click OK again, and let's add our final parameter. Call this area B. Yes, no, visibility, and also an instance parameter. Click OK, and also click OK. Now that all the parameters have been created, I need to assign these parameters to the key plan. To save a little time, I've already created the key plan parameter and placed the key plan geometry and text on the parameter itself. So what I need to do still is let's create the, or I guess let's assign the filled pattern to the correct parameters. Here, let's select area A and go over to the visible portion and click the button next to visible and place it on area A. Say OK. And then let's pick the filled region for area B and do the same thing. Let's go over to visible, click the little button next to it, and associate this parameter with, or this filled region, if you will, with the parameter area B, and say OK. Now that I've created the key plan and its parameters, I need to load it back into the project. Now I want to test it and see how it works. Scroll in on the key plan area and just select the key plan itself. Scroll down to the visibility portion, and let's just try some of these and see how it works. Let's toggle off area B. There we go. Let's toggle off area A and just have area B on. Good. And let's just try showing the key plan by itself. And let's put them all back on. Great. As you can see, this was a pretty quick and easy way to create a key plan.